All right, I got to be honest with you guys. I was kind of expecting this, so I would love some feedback. Half the people in here want to see Helix content, which I totally understand because that's kind of where I started and it got a lot of traction. And I do think that I am recognized in the Helix community for making videos. But then we also have people from my Twitter who want to see Flutter. And those are two very different things. And so I'm curious if anyone has any ideas for how I can do both, or if I should just split the channel now and just deal with that. The other thing too is for the Helix folks, I already know what I would make for Flutter, but for the Helix folks, what content am I missing right now? Or do you just want to see people use Helix? Is it more that you want to see people using Helix and like maybe pick things up along the way? Or are you looking for more tutorial like content, which is kind of more of what I was doing in the past? I'm a little bit concerned with the Helix content that I feel like I've covered most of the important stuff, and I'm a little concerned that I'm going to run out of ideas. So I'm thinking that if you guys can lay in the comments below what kind of Helix content you would want to see, then maybe that will start the gears churning in my head, because I do actually use the bindings every day. That's something I should be clear about. I said in my last video that I use VS Code now, but I use VS Code with the dance Helix style bindings. So jumping back into Helix, and I actually do use Helix every day. I just use it for note taking as opposed to actual coding, because when it comes to front-end engineering, like the plugins in VS Code are so critical. And that's like the biggest reason why I use it every day. So yeah, those are just some general thoughts. Let me know in the comments below what kind of Helix content you would be looking for, and maybe that will start the brain juices going and see if I can come up with something. All right, thanks.